I took this picture standing at Base Camp 1. Base Camp 1 is at 17,000 feet. So I'm up very, very high, and I'm looking at that picture right there. That's 29,200 feet. So a very, very large mountain. And when I got there, I started to tingle. My hands started tingling, my arms started tingling, my face started tingling. And I had a Sherpa with me. And the Sherpa said, "What's wrong?" And I said, I have altitude sickness, and I'm taking altitude medicine, but it's not working. And he said, "Throw your altitude medicine away." And I said, "I went to my doctor. My doctor prescribed this medicine for altitude sickness." And he said, "You're allergic to the altitude sickness medicine. Throw it away. Instead, what you should do is walk really fast so you get oxygen into your body." Now, I'm talking to a person who lives in the Himalayas. I saw his house. There's donkeys and chickens in his house, in the house. On the outside of the house is yak dung that has been collected by humans and turned into a patty with their handprint on it, and it's covering the whole house for insulation. This is the person who's offering me advice that goes directly against my doctor. So what did I do? I threw the medicine away. I started walking really fast, and then I started breathing, and I was having trouble breathing, but I was getting more oxygen into my body. I felt better almost immediately. Almost immediately. This is called occupying the one-up position. Okay?